I have a very nice refreshment prepared for all of us, and then we are going to chat and contemplate these beautiful works. This is a collective display of selected works, and we really hope that you enjoy it. We're happy to be able to be here and enjoy it because you know that 2022 has been a very difficult year for our academy. But here we are, and one more year enjoying this time of at least peace here, and we really desire for this new year peace for the Ukraine, peace for Russia, and peace for the whole world. Now, this display puts our academy in the front seat, judging, evaluating the goals, purpose, and mission of our existence. The heart of our academy has a name, Nadia Mulogova, and I would like her to come and greet you. Here you are, Nadia.
Thank you so much for all of you. First, it's a pleasure to have you here, and first, a pleasure to see how you're growing. And all that Academy built here, not because of me, not because of my ideas, but because I would like to share with you something. We have a heart for you, which is full of desire to share with you knowledge. And all of our professors have same heart to share with you knowledge. We have both values as spiritual importance, as skills that we would like to give for your career as a professional artist. And I would like to see all of you really stable as an artist, stable with your knowledge, but at the same time stable emotionally, stable practically in things that you're doing. Be sure what you're receiving here, its influence in that world, because it's not so many artists who right now know very well the knowledge, and those which will be knowing things, knowing from the craft and how to build a mom look like square, and that is very important part, of education.